Hey guys, welcome back. Today, guess where we are? The Bath & Body Works outlet. I just parked. I always go to the one in Medford, Minnesota. I always get a ton of questions. It's at this little kind of older outlet mall that has like maybe a few stores here, but this outlet is my favorite. I mean, it's my favorite Bath & Body Works store. It's not my favorite outlet. I haven't been to any other ones, but I want to see what they have for their clearance. If you guys haven't been to an actual outlet location, it doesn't mean a Bath & Body Works at an outlet mall. It has to say Bath & Body Works and it'll say outlet on the sign, and I'll show you. It's literally an outlet. So it's like semi-annual sale every single day, and I like to see what they have. I always love shopping here for semi-annual sale too, because sometimes they have some good stuff. Sometimes they even have 75% off candles like throughout the year, and they're actually doing a pretty good candle sale today, which is $12.95. You know, the prices have been going up, so this is a pretty good sale, but probably by the time I upload this, it might be over. I'll see if I can get it up this weekend, depending on what I have going on. But I thought I would take you guys inside and see what's new at the outlet location, because sometimes they have some limited edition or rare stuff. I know there's not really a ton of new scents out right now. I think the newest one is Butterfly, so let's go see what they have. Alright, so walking in the store, they were running a really good, just regular price candle sale for $12.95, all their candles that day. So definitely if you see that price, take advantage, because that's about as low as they go these days. But I just wanted to pop in and show you a few of their like new things that they had. I did a video on the tropical collection, and they had this new pink pineapple sunrise body butter, which I still kind of want to get. It's on my wish list if they do like a body care sale soon, because I love the body butters, but they're so expensive. They also have a scrub in that scent, but they were actually very sold out on a lot of the tropical. I was really surprised. I don't know if they will be restocking. I also don't remember seeing the Copper Coconut Sands body cream when I first got my haul, so I needed to pick that up because I absolutely love the spray. They also have minis in that one, so I wanted to share. This scent, Butterfly, is actually their newest launch that is coming out, so they were just previewing it right now, but it should be out in stores soon in full size. To me, it smells a lot like sweet pea, so I passed on it, but I might pick up that little perfume sample. Anyways, to the clearance, this is the 50% off section that they had, and they had some of those old SAS summer scents from this year. Pink Watermelon, Endless Weekend, and Summertime Surf were all part of the 50%. Pink Watermelon is definitely a favorite of mine. It's so good for summertime. And then they had these little one wick candles for 50% off as well. These were, I think, holiday ones that they had. They even had the mini Pure Wonder for 50% off. And then down here they had a select few candles for half off, which really wasn't that great of a deal. It's pretty much the same thing as the $12.50 sale they were running, so I just quickly wanted to go through these kind of older spring summer scents that they had. And they did actually have the 1,000 Wishes for the, I think, the Lunar New Year. The special edition one was already 50% off at the outlet, and I have been very interested in these antibacterial hand wipes. Let me know if you guys have tried them. They had strawberry pound cake. I was tempted, but I passed for now. They did have over here a couple more candles here, part of the 50% off, like kiwi passion fruit. There was a wild honeysuckle scent. They had some moonlight path down there as well, and the French lavender and honey that the outlet usually carries, and also Forever Red. And then the good deals happen over here where everything is $3.50, which is practically 75% off in my opinion. But they had tons of leftover merchandise. They had some At the Beach. We got some older Saltwater Breeze lotions, White Citrus, which is a retired scent as well, and they had a lot of Golden Sunflower. Let me know if you guys have tried White Citrus. It seems like a nice fresh scent. So they also had a couple Winterberry Wonders left over from the holidays. I even found a couple Pink Velvet Cupcakes, which was awesome. That one is from last fall. I love this one. And they also had a Snowflakes and Cashmere, but there was not much left. It's definitely going fast. Fresh Gardenia. And we also had some 1,000 Christmas Wishes. I know that one was really popular. Mad About You. Even some Aromatherapy. Midsummer Dream was there too. I hope they redo this one for summer, because I really liked this scent. I think it's so good.
And then they also had a ton of Dahlia, which I was really surprised to see. They had the moisturizing body wash, they had scrub, body cream, all of it, which I could not find any of this during SAS, so I was really excited to find it here for only $3.50. Definitely stocked up on the Dahlia. They had some Cocoa Shea to the left. I think that one's pretty popular. It's cucumber scented watermelon lemonade. They even had the older version of 1,000 Wishes body cream since they did reformulate, and I was shocked to find pumpkin cupcake there. This was an online exclusive, so I think the outlets must get in the online stuff too, because I've never seen that in store before. They also had some honey wildflower, some of the last year's summer collections, even some whipped vanilla chiffon, brown sugar and fig, lots of that one as well. And then on this table, I even found Sleigh Ride and Snuggles, which was crazy. This was another online exclusive. They only had the shower gel, though. I know it was either love it or hate it. I found some Secret Wonderland. They had tons of last year's fall collection, lots of the Sunrise Woods, which I did enjoy that one a lot. Lots of Lakeside Citrus left over, some of the Cotton Candy Champagne, and another online exclusive, Twinkling Midnight Sky, was there. And then a ton of the Winter Peach Marshmallow. I even found my favorite Fireside Flurries in stock. I am stocked up on this, so I did not need any more. The Bonfire Bash Moisturizing Shower Gel. These I always recommend buying at the cheaper price point. Vanilla Bean Noel. We even have some Fall Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, and Starlit Night was there too. That one was not available for very long, so that was cool to see. They even had the old packaging of In the Stars. They did repackage this, so they were clearancing out the body wash and the fragrance mist. And then to my surprise, I found some Pumpkin Pecan Waffles mist. I really hope this scent comes back because I love it. And Coconut Candy Apple and a little bit of Strawberry Pound Cake over there. Next up, we had the 75% off table, which really did not have a ton. There was like some hand sanitizers. It's essentially the same thing as $3.50, so really it's not that big of a deal. They had a bunch of men's lotions though over here, some Velvet Sugar body creams that have probably just been here for a minute and they needed to get rid of, but I do like that scent a lot. And some holiday decor, which we will be going over more of those later in the video. And then on the other side, they had some Magnolia Charm lotions there. I think that one's coming back. And then these cute little gift sets. I think this one was 1,000 Wishes little mini set for 75% off, originally like $15. And some Oahu Coconut Sunset Shower Gel. I wish they had more of that scent because I really enjoy it. And then some more sanitizers on top. This table, they actually had a whole table of $10 candles, and these were all kind of the older fall holiday ones, so it's really nice to get these at a deal. It was even better than the $12.95 that they were running, so I did pick up a couple that were on this special. That's a pretty good price. I mean, they don't usually have 75% off candles very often here. I even found the Peppermint Marshmallow, which I'm realizing I should have grabbed, and I don't think I did grab that one. Unfortunately, I'll have to come back. Maybe they'll have it in a couple months. They had tons of the Peach Marshmallow too. I wasn't a fan of that one in the candle, but I loved seeing all the fall and winter candles that they had left over. And then this one is kind of shocking, but they had the hand from Halloween for 75% off. Like, I thought that these were all gone, but I guess they had some left over because this was a hot commodity last year. Oh my goodness, I just can't. People were reselling them for so much money. They had a ton of holiday candle holders, including my favorite polar bear. I should just wait until holiday is over to buy these at the outlet because it's insane. Look at all these. So many decor pieces. I think that's what I'm going to do next year, is just try to hold off on buying the decor because you can get them at a way better deal. These little candles were also on this table here. I think this was the $3.50 table, so they had some soaps, some mini candles, which is a pretty good deal for the single wicks. And then this is the last table they had for clearance. This was the $2 table, so there was a couple soaps on there, but mostly little travel sizes, which was nice. So if you need to stock up, I think they're originally like $8, so $2 really is not a bad deal. They even had those little shampoo and conditioners there. They even had a full-size Dark Kiss and Cucumber Melon lotion, which must have been older on the $2 table. Yeah, they really had a ton of stuff to offer on here. Lots of holiday soaps, only $2 each. Alright guys, so I ended up doing some major damage at the outlet. I was really not expecting to buy a whole lot, but they had a lot of stuff that I was even looking for during the semi-annual sale early this year, and they had it and the prices were really good. Like, it was basically semi-annual sale in the store, and it's pretty much like that all the time. They just had the best deals. Even on the candles, I thought there was some awesome deals going on. So I want to share with you what I picked up. So I really scored on the $3.50 table. I was so excited to find some more Dahlia because I was hunting for this during SAS and it was sold out like everywhere. So I finally got my hands on some, including this creamy body scrub, which is insane. Like, this is a really rare find, I feel like. It says creamy petal body scrub, actually. Not sure what that's supposed to mean, but they did discontinue Dahlia, which is so sad. It's such a good fragrance. It smells a lot like Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume. It smells like legit perfume and it lasts. The notes are velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. So yummy. It is sweet, but it is definitely kind of a more sweet floral. It has a little bit of heaviness to it, so it's awesome for like a night out. And I also picked up the body cream. I was so happy they also had the body cream because this definitely was something I was on the hunt for during SAS and was not able to find because I really needed to have an extra. I only had a mini in my collection. I needed one to pair with the mist. I also picked up the 1000 Wishes body cream. I think this is the old formula, so they did reformulate the body creams like late last year to have more hyaluronic acid in the formula. But I wanted to grab this because I don't have any like lotions or body creams in this scent. I have a mini spray, but I have been actually really getting into this fragrance. It's not something that I used to love, but it's definitely been growing on me as I do kind of like those more perfumed scents. This is available always at Bath & Body Works, but I was happy to get a good deal on this cream. The notes are pink prosecco, crystal peonies, and then gilded amber, and it is another kind of sweet floral fragrance. I also picked up the In the Stars moisturizing body wash. I love when I can find these from Bath & Body Works at a good price because they're usually kind of expensive, and I do prefer these since they are more moisturizing than the regular body washes. I'm all about the hydration, and In the Stars is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. It's so pretty. I love pairing this with Ariana Grande's Cloud. It goes really well with Baccarat Rouge as well. The notes on this one are starflower, sandalwood musk, sugar tangelo, white agarwood, and then white amber. Now, I did grab some backups. I really did not need these, but I could not resist finding them for $3.50, especially Pumpkin Cupcake, because this was an online exclusive. So sometimes you can find online exclusives in the outlet locations. So I really enjoyed this scent when it came out for the fall. It did release again. It's just such soft, really sweet vanilla with a little bit of pumpkin. It's not overload, so this is one of my favorites for the fall time. So I did go ahead and grab that to have a backup. I love this one. It's just so warm and cozy and really nice for bedtime. The notes are whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cake batter. And then also I could not resist picking up another favorite, Pink Velvet Cupcake. This one I feel like you can wear all year round, but it seems to only come out for fall. I'm not sure why, because it's such a pretty candy like scent to me. It just smells so sweet, so girly. The notes are sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, and then sugared praline for this one. And I also picked up an Open Sky body cream. This is another scent that has been growing on me. I picked it up in the fragrance mist. When it first came out, was not a fan of the fragrance mist. The fragrance mist is too cologne-like, too fresh air smelling for me. But when I got the perfume during the semi-annual sale, I fell in love with it. It smells so much better in the perfume. But I wanted to go ahead and grab the body cream as well to pair with that, because I do feel like the body cream is a lot sweeter and it does smell more like the perfume to me. So I really have been liking this scent a lot, and I think it's actually going to be a really nice spring scent and not only just for fall. The notes are fresh air, wild blackberries, soft vanilla, and a cloud of comforting, wait, did I read that right? Soft violet and a cloud of comforting vanilla. And yeah, I do think the cream does smell better. It has a little bit more sweetness to it. It's not so heavy on the cologne fragrance as much as the fragrance mist was. So excited to have that to pair with my perfume. And then I actually got some candle deals. First up, this was just one of their regular candles. They were doing a $12.95 sale when I was there, which is really good for their candles because they don't go that cheap hardly ever. But I picked up a backup of sprinkled birthday cake. I'm loving this one. I just love pure vanilla scents like this, and that's basically what this is. It's such a nice one. The notes are rainbow sprinkles, whipped vanilla frosting, and fluffy cake. And I grabbed one more backup of Lakeside Morning. This is so good. I discovered it last year. It's such a fresh cologne type of scent. It's so pretty. The notes are crisp autumn air, white driftwood, and a hint of green apple. I love this one. It smells to me just like a really fresh, almost like coastal perfume. It's very pretty. And then they had a bunch of holiday fragrances and fall ones left over that were $10. So I picked up the last one I could find of Mountain Teakwood. This is one I've been meaning to get and just have never picked up. So when I saw it there, I was like, this is your time to grab this fragrance. The notes are crisp mountain air, rich teakwood, and a touch of fresh eucalyptus. And this is another kind of cologne type scent. It really smells like you're in the mountains. It's mahogany teakwood mixed with basically a little bit of pine, but it's not too heavy. I'm really excited to burn this one. I think it's so good. And then I grabbed this one because this one is actually a very expensive candle, and to get it for $10 was a steal. It's originally $26.50, and it's this wine cellar candle that they had. It smells really good, but it's definitely a fall winter scent for me, because there is something in there that smells like fall. Let's see. I think it's the cedar. It has notes of mulled apples, fresh fig, and cedarwood. Yeah, that cedarwood is very prominent in this one, so it's very warm, cozy. You can also get the spiced apple going on. It's really nice. So I'm really excited to snag that one as well. So that is what I picked up from the Bath & Body Works outlet. I might be making a trip back there when we have summer sale. We'll see. I always love stopping by when I can because you can score really good deals. I definitely recommend seeing if there is an outlet near you. How you do it is you go to bathandbodyworks.com and go to their store locator, and there is a box that you can check to select outlet. So make sure that is the only thing checked, and then you can search your state and see what pops up to be the closest to you, because it might be a ways away. There's not a ton of them. They're not like all over the place. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.